In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide extensions in Brave. If your browser toolbar feels cluttered with too many add-on icons, this quick cleanup will make everything look neater while keeping your extensions ready when you need them. We're not uninstalling or disabling anything here. We're simply hiding icons from the toolbar so you can focus on what matters. Start by opening the Brave browser on your computer. Once it's open, move your eyes to the top right corner of the window. That area just to the right of the address bar is your toolbar. This is where extension icons normally sit. To control which ones appear, click the small puzzle-shaped icon. That's the Extensions button. When you click it, a compact menu opens showing all the extensions currently installed in your browser. Inside this menu, you'll see a list of your extensions, and beside each one, there's a pin icon. The pin controls visibility on the toolbar. Think of it as a simple on-off switch for the icon's appearance. Pinned means the icon is visible on the toolbar. Unpinned means the icon is hidden from the toolbar. To hide an extension icon, click the pin next to that extension to toggle it off. The pin will change state to indicate it's no longer pinned. Repeat this for each extension you want to tidy away. Don't worry, hiding the icon doesn't turn off the extension's functionality. It still runs according to its own settings and permissions. You're just removing the visual clutter. If you ever need that extension again, open the puzzle menu, find it in the list, and click the pin to toggle it back on. The moment it's pinned, its icon will reappear on the toolbar. As you go through, consider which tools you use constantly and which ones you only open occasionally. Keep your everyday essentials pinned for quick access and unpin the rest to create a cleaner, calmer workspace. This small change can make navigation faster and help you stay focused. A quick recap before we wrap up. Open Brave, head to the top right corner, click the puzzle icon to view your installed extensions, and use the pin next to each one to choose whether it's visible or hidden. Unpinned means hidden from the toolbar. Pinned means visible. It's that simple, and you can adjust it anytime. That's all you need to hide extensions in Brave without removing them. Enjoy your streamlined toolbar and take control of your browsing space with just a few clicks.